Sales order entry is where efficiency either happens or disappears. A customer is on the phone. The order taker needs purchase history, pricing, availability, ship-to information, tax, delivery dates, related purchase orders, related production orders, and sometimes a quote or order acknowledgement sent immediately. The issue is not whether the ERP can eventually store the information. The issue is how much navigation it takes while the customer is waiting. Carillon sales order entry is designed around one working window and one save. From the sales order entry window, an authorized user can create quotes and orders, copy previous orders or quotes, convert a quote into an order with one click, create new customers, items, and shiptos, check available to sell quantities as of the promise date, automatically price lines using contract pricing and discounts, calculate sales tax, add notes, view customer and item notes, see item pictures, draw item diagrams, and configure the first level of a bill of materials or kit. The user can also email a quote or order acknowledgement directly from the sales order entry window by choosing File, Send, while still on the phone with the customer. The purchase history example shows the difference clearly. In Carillon, unlimited customer purchase history is available inside the sales order entry window. The user can review history by date, such as what did this customer buy the last 3 times, or by item, such as what did this customer pay for this item the last 6 times they bought it. That is exactly the kind of question that comes up during a live order. In Carillon, the answer is available without leaving the order. Carillon also lets the user continue the operational work from the same order entry flow. The user can create 1 or more purchase orders for items on the sales order, create 1 or more production orders, ship each line to multiple ship-tos, identify a warehouse, record payments, record down payments that post to deferred revenue, and assign multiple salespeople as split commissions. The point is not just that Carillon has those features. The point is that the user can complete the work in one order entry workspace and commit the transaction with one save. NetSuite's documented model is different. Oracle documents sales order entry as a browser page transaction process. The user creates a sales order, selects a customer, enters items, shipping, billing, payment, accounting, relationship, and communication information, and then saves the transaction. NetSuite has useful capabilities, including customer records, Customer 360, sales reports, item availability tools, special order purchasing, and related transactions. But Oracle's documentation places many related activities in separate browser pages, reports, pop-ups, customer pages, or follow-on transaction processes. For example, Oracle documents Customer 360 as a separate customer page that collects customer information from different areas of NetSuite, including purchasing trends and related information. That is useful, and it should be acknowledged. But it is still a customer page, not the active sales order entry page. Oracle also documents customer records as tracking transaction history and items purchased, and separately documents a sales orders by customer detail report, showing approved sales orders and return authorizations by customer for selected date range. Availability is another example. Carillon checks available to sell as of the promise date inside sales order entry. NetSuite's available to promise documentation describes checking availability through an item availability pop-up on the transaction, and Oracle also documents a separate check item availability page where users select location, item, and quantity. Those are real capabilities, but they are additional interactions outside the main order entry flow. Both systems can process sales orders. The difference is efficiency. Carillon is designed so the order taker can stay in one working window, answer the customer's questions, review detailed purchase history, create related records and documents, email the quote or order acknowledgement, and save once. NetSuite's documented workflow often requires the user to move among browser pages, customer pages, reports, pop-ups, and related transactions to assemble the same working context. For high-volume order entry, those extra navigation steps are not cosmetic. They turn into minutes per order, more chances to lose context, and more opportunities for mistakes.